this video is only for educational purposes. Okay, so what is our forecast is, morning all, we came to know, so Nifty was in buy trend only, so there is a correction in the market, not the fall. Okay, market is in, still it is in buy trend, not in sell trend. So now market is coming for a correction. So this is a one demand level where market can react. Okay, so this is an extreme demand level. Okay, so these two demands will be good place to buy for investors or who are using swing trade or intraday over risk trading. They can trade on these two zones. So what is our forecast is market, so overall low is this one. Okay, 21,137, it's the overall low. Okay, when market is closing below this level, market is going to be in sell trend. So until that, market is in buy trend, so we can start buying when market is coming to this point. So this demand zone, this is the one level, market can go like this, or another way is this here. These are the two levels you can buy, you can trade up to this level. Again there are some other tools to find out the targets. For an example, this is another tool. If this level is reacting, our target is this. Okay, our targets will be, so 22,924. If market is taking this 50% demand level, okay, if market is taking this extreme level, okay, if this is the overall extreme level, if it is taking support from this demand level, what could be the targets? So first target could be this one, 23,380. So we have a rule, we have a proper rule when to use these tools and when you should not use the tool. So for this, if you want to learn, you can join our community where we will teach you how to use these tools to find out whether market is in buy trend or in sell trend. So actually we used a Fibonacci tool for this to find the correct level of supply and demand. So market in everywhere there will be a supply and demand. So in this point we use this tool to find out the best demand levels where market can react. Okay, so if you want to learn, if you want to analyze like this, you can join our community. Yeah, thank you for all.